Hello, I am Adalberto Cervantes Rodriguez. I am the creator of the ERP technology and business database technology that is used worldwide, but only by SAP and Oracle. Those companies stole my technology at the Mexican oil company Pemex. I requested to the Mexican government to give me the copy of the agreement between Oracle and Pemex and SAP and Pemex. They couldn't find it. This smelled really fishy. And it's because they use bottom-up technologies to put in bankruptcy all the Mexican government companies that belong to the Mexican citizens. It has been covered up by Secretaría de Hacienda y Crédito Público, the Gortaris, the Slim, the Adalberto, Felipe Calderón. All these guys, they have been covering up to have these companies as a gift. And that's the same situation with the US companies, and they are moved to China, or they are moved to Mexico, where there is a Mexican military helping to do these bankruptcies, as well as graduate fellows coming from universities like ITESM, ITAM, Panamericana, NAWAC, among others. All these universities belong to the elites, and after they put them in bankruptcy, the U.S. companies are moved to China as well. Has all the partners a lot of small Indian origin IT companies, mainly registered in Texas, North Carolina, New York City, South Michigan, instead of California, with the help of the skull bones to do this accounting and fiscal fraud. Basically, they are helped by Indian origin IT consultants with less than education than a US bachelor degree. So you can imagine working in big corporates, government, and as well they infiltrate the military, the US military. They are destroying us totally, okay? Has all their clients. We know that there are three banks that they are controlling and manipulating all the economy, and they define in percentage to the Illuminati corporates to destroy any country they want. Today they are focusing United States to be replaced by China, Israel, and Switzerland. As I told you before, all the data and processes are totally incorrect because they didn't use science and technology and industrial engineering, and you can check that if you're going to your hospital, clinic, health center, and all the processes and data are mixed up. They don't even can make a correct autopsy, basic autopsy, related if someone is dead, if it was because of natural causes or was used because of using electromagnetic weapons, nanotechnology, implants, NK Ultra and other devices. Because of all this situation, as the father of industrial engineering has assigned, I recommend to use immediately industrial engineers with ergonomics background so that we can have a solution. At the end of the day, we're going to have the ergonomics technology integrated to my ERP technology and business database technology. Because of all these issues, all the presidents, including Obama, all the CEOs are considered right now like satanic, diabolic, criminal, psychopaths, and even homosexual, because the elites are putting in them the reptilian implants that made them be homosexuals, and the MK Ultra that made them be puppets of the elites. So they control all their necessities, including the basic necessities like poop and pee. So you can imagine the situation going to public events with diapers. Okay. Today we're going to talk about the situation between these companies of IT, Oracle, SAP, Google, and others. Okay. As I tell you before, I have been following all this situation. This guy like Bill Gates, all this guy, basically they are supported by this Illuminati, and they are stealing the technology, as it is my case with my ERP technology and business database technology. Even when Bill Gates was creating the operating system, the DOS, at the Instituto Mexicano del Petróleo, they had some guys to work with Microsoft. But as I told you before, in those years, everybody was doing operating systems. The system guys, they were only working in that field. Okay, so it is not a surprise then Microsoft developed the operating system for personal computers. Okay, but of course, even right now, the legal systems can do more processes than a regular personal computer. Okay, so really so we don't see any, in fact, any improvement. Only we change the hardware. Okay, but this situation of operating system, it is pretty similar. Maybe there might be big changes in the graphic situation. Okay, that is different than the legal system. But anyway, what I want to tell you is that these guys that have been stealing technology, then they don't even produce. We already have it. Okay. In the case of Oracle and SAP, it was a big difference. I mean, we're not talking here about systems, as I told you before, because basically this technology was developed by industrial engineers. I did it, okay, as the father of industrial engineering has a science. But they make a lot of mistakes. One of them is not to consider the economic sectors and others. And because of that, these companies are related with a lot of criminal suits, civil suits, and others. Even SAP and Oracle, they were fighting each other to say who was the creator of the ERP technology when I was, okay? So they already know it, okay? They already know this situation, and of course, this is a violation of the U.S. laws, okay? Because they know it, and they want to and they want to have some kind of benefit because of doing this kind of suits when they already know it. Same situation than the case of Google and SAP this year, I mean, same situation. Use a program like Java, okay, in Google. You're paying for that program. I mean, you can use it as you want. At the end of the day, you're not going to have the program. You're going to create a running program that is not going to be codified as Java, okay? So we already know all these situations, and these guys they want to take advantage benefits of the U.S. laws because right now they're killing the people who is creating these systems. As I said before, I was attacked by Hillary Clinton, that is a close friend of these Oracle guys or runners. That is the same like SAP, okay? And basically, they try to kill me using electromagnetic weapons, implants, nanotechnology, mainly in the Sparrow Hospital. And they are related, of course, with all the situation of Pizzagate. Even the Sparrow Hospital has a lot of children. Most of the children that are born in that area, they're going to the Sparrow Hospital. So you have to be careful if you live in East Lansing, Michigan, okay? Really, because it's part of the system of this pedophile and these blood satanic rituals, okay? It's part of the system, so you have to be really careful. And anyway, what I want to remark in this program is that these guys of Oracle are they have been living in a criminal life, okay, stealing technology, killing people to hide all these situations, doing the pedophile situation beside the blood satanic rituals, okay. So it is incredible that the U.S. agencies and right now even the Mexican agencies, because they are related, the Slims and these pseudo Mexican elites are related with that. Even they name judges in Mexico to take those positions, have the same in the United States. Basically, conveniently, to not to be punished by the legal system in Mexico and as well in the United States. We're going to see what is happening with the President-elect Donald Trump, but of course this situation has been covering up for many years and is still alive. I mean, we have to do something. I mean, I have a criminal too, but billions of dollars in Mexico, United States, and even is internationally well known because they have been stealing tax money from many countries. So where is the money? Well, we know where is the money. Switzerland and other places. I mean, then they are not charging any kind of taxes. They don't care. Okay, so we need to go deeper into all this situation, analyze all the judicial process that these companies are starting, like Google, SAP, Oracle, even Facebook. Okay, all these technologies in systems, when they are not, they're going to be more powerful because, as a matter of fact, I can have all these technologies in one, integrated with my ERP technology and business database technology. Then it's going to be good for the humanity, for the development of the humanity, instead of being a controlling or a way to kill us. Okay, so it is important that you know that these companies are really criminals. For example, they have been blocking me, and I want to find out how to sue them as well. In the case of Google, because they are connected with YouTube, and you know I doing a lot of videos, and they have been earning a lot of money because of these videos, and they are not paying me. Okay, so this situation has to be ended according with science and technology and industrial engineering. And of course, I want to go to with a U.S. judge, no Illuminati, to win my cases, as I have done since I created technology, the ERP technology and the business database technology, as you know. Thank you very much for listening. I hope that you like this program. May click in like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my video. Thank you very much. God bless you.